Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Google Site. I'm very new to this, so I hope that this step-by-step video helps you the way it helped me. So stay tuned. Google Sites. I'm going to take you on a tour of my page. We're going to start with the home page. What did I add on my home page? I added my welcome to school. It has what they need to know how to be prepared to start this school year. Very important, virtual class rules. What do I expect? The do's, the don'ts. It's an infographic poster. I also have the books and novels they're going to be using this school year. I have the images here. I'm going to have a page for each group. Unit, what's inside each unit, I'm going to add for two, exactly the same thing, but since they take the class different days, I'm going to have separate pages for them. About the teacher, I have a little short biography of things I like to do, where I studied. I have a carousel of images. And how are we going to create this page? Stay tuned so you can learn. The first step I want to show you is how to create your banner. The presentation, the first thing the students and parents are going to see when they enter your Google site. So let's jump to your Google Drive. You hit the new button, more, and you go to Google Sites. My internet is a little slow, so have a little patience with me. And here we have our page, our Google Sites. Let's put identify our page, Marian's 5th grade class. And as you see, it's going to appear on top of your Google site. Here you have many options, okay? We're gonna head to Canva. Create a design, custom dimensions, and you are going to change to inches, and the correct dimension is 2014. And create a new design. I had a little trouble when I was creating mine. I had to go back several times to fix it because there's only so much that's going to fit in the middle. So my advice is to leave a little on the top part and leave a little on the bottom part, and always center everything in the middle. So now we can start doing our design. We have our banner the way that we like it, and my advice is always to put everything mostly in the center. We are going to download it to our computer as a PNG. It's preparing. Obviously, I have the free version. It works just perfect. We go back to our Google Sites and we are going to upload our image. Let me look for it. It's uploading. On the title, we are going to erase it because we already created ours, and we are going to remove the readability. And there we have it. It looks amazing. I love it. I love the contrast of the blue and the pink. To be able to add a page, we go here to the center that says pages, and on this plus sign, we are going to add our pages. I'm going to have 5-1. I need another one for my 5-2, and a page that's about the teacher for my students and parents to get to know me. And we're going to do the same process. Erase the title on each one of them, but I'm going to create another banner that has the grade 5-1, 5-2, and one that says about the teacher. Today, we're going to be doing the second part of our video is creating the stickers for our Google site. So the dimensions for the sticker part is going to be 500 by 500, and make sure it's in pixels. Create a new design. We're gonna have the same options, many options. We're gonna go to uploads because I uploaded some images so it can match my banner. And I love this wooden one. I love the gray. Let's go to elements to look for the flowers, objects that you guys want to put. I want mine to match, so I'm going to look for the same flowers that my banner has, and I'm going to play with them a little while I put them where they're going to be. You just have to have a little patience, move things around, play with it. The design has to represent you and the way you want it to look, the way you want your students to have their page prepared. So you keep on moving, you keep on placing things, you keep on choosing, you keep on changing. Every option is going to be the correct one, because designing is not an easy task, but it's possible because in Canva you have so many options. You just have to use your imagination. I spend a lot of time looking at each letter, each color, the font, imagining how I wanted my students to see what they wanted on their page, trying to be creative to catch their attention. I want them to be in love with their page each time they have to go find work, being able to look for the day's assessment or job or instructions. I want them to like their page each time they enter. I love the contrast of using different fonts. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it makes a difference between identifying the unit, identifying the title, and I'm just having fun rearranging things, looking for things that makes it look very nice. All of our stickers for our page. We are going to download. I like to download one by one, but you have the option to download all 6 if you want. But I like to download one by one. So I chose the first one. It's downloading. Let's see. As soon as it finishes. Okay, it finished. Now, let's go back to our page and I'm gonna go to 5.1 and I'm going to choose the first layout. I'm going to choose to select or upload my sticker. Let's see. I'm looking. I found it. I'm downloading. We're waiting. Okay, there it is. You can fix it to put it bigger, smaller. You choose. I'm just in love with this page. Here I would put Unit 1, and on the bottom I have the option to put another image, to look for a document on Drive, to embed a Google slide. I could put a document for the vocabulary words. I could put a slide with definitions and activities for them to use. And I'm going to keep on using different kinds of layouts or different kinds of things. You have the option to put the images of the vocabulary words. You could make a YouTube video and post it there for them. You could put a map, a doc, slide. Possibilities are endless. And then on our next, you're going to choose the layout you want. You put another. it takes them automatically to your presentation letter. As we go back, you will see you have many options to create your site, and it's very fun. We have layouts, options, the image carousel. You could look for your own pictures. You could use it for vocabulary words. You could use it for images that you want to present about a topic. You just have to use your imagination for everything. With this video, I hope you leave with at least an idea of how to create your Google site. Once again, thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.